Hamiyet'in kanalında ben de varım.
Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Can't help the rhythm, it's making me no good. I just don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Or would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need, yeah. One mistake till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Ay, can't have the rhythm, it's making me no good. And I don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Oh, would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need. One mistake till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Yeah, yeah. Inside a cage. Oh, yeah. One more night, one mistake till we break. And I just can't help the way I'm feeling. Can't help the rhythms. I just don't like the sound. You got someone new, I know it. Yeah, but I will keep on denying. Yeah, yeah. Gotta keep my emotions from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Yeah, 'cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. I'm fucked up, oh yeah, I know it. All alone with mixed emotions. Yeah, gotta keep my temper from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all.